Storm Nemo in Charleston, Maine. You can see the roads they've cleared the roads really well, and with all the snow blowing around, doesn't seem like it's built up very much here, or that I've gotten very much snow here. But you can see how it's blowing around the house. Some of the snow on my deck, starting to shovel that. Do that part first, and then I'll go get the ATV with the plow blade on it and do the fun part. Okay, walking out to get the ATV. Boy, look how the wind's blowing around the fire pit, clearing it out. That looks like I should have brought a shovel. Alright, we have to clear that out.